Psychologists, coaches, and netting trainers, as well as self-help gurus, do struggle to understand your clients in a much more deeper manner? Or do you want to charge higher by adding one powerful skill? Well, then graphology is for you. Graphology can help you understand someone's personality just by looking at their handwriting as well as signature. What can you find? Well, you can find about relationship habits, you can find about finance habits, you can find about communication skill, confidence, couple compatibility, and many other aspects just by looking at their handwriting as well as signature. Hello everyone, I'm Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphology Simple. I'm also known as Mr. Graphology in the community, and I've written 3 books on graphology which are best sellers on Amazon India. So if you want to complete graphology, then these 3 books are for you. Okay, and I have trained 50,000 plus students from 100 plus countries via my online courses, blogs, videos, etc., which has helped learners understand their clients themselves deeply and improve their personality. Now, if you are serious about mastering graphology, then this complete kit is for you. In the complete kit, you get 3 courses, 3 ebooks, as well as 4 exams. So once you pass a particular topic exam, you get the certificate of that particular topic. So for example, for handwriting course, once you pass the exam for that, you get recognized as certified handwriting analyst. Secondly, once you pass the exam for signature course, you get recognized signature analyst and then graphotherapist. And finally, you get recognized as certified graphologist. Okay. So each course is completely online. Exams are completely online as well. So you can access the exam as well as courses on the app, Android app, or else on the website. Okay. And each of the course, you get the ebook version of that particular topic. So for handwriting course, you get the ebook version of handwriting analysis. For signature, you get ebook version of signature analysis. And for graphotherapy, you get the ebook version of that topic. Okay, so if you enroll in the courses, you don't need to go anywhere else. If you, as you get the ebooks as well, so you don't need to worry about notes as well. My books are best sellers on Amazon India, so you don't need to worry about notes as well. Okay, as notes and courses both are covered, so you can learn complete graphology at one place. So normally this bundle is valued around 22,000 rupees, yet now you can get the whole kit, 3 courses, 3 ebooks, as well as 4 exams for just 599 rupees. Okay, so you can save 16,000 rupees if you enroll right now. So whether you are a psychologist, whether you are a life coach, whether you are a counselor, whether you are a teacher, parent, or whether you are someone who just want to understand your personality, or you want to improve your personality, or you want to help other people improve their personality, or if you want to understand other people, then these courses and ebook are for you, as you don't need to go anywhere else if you get these courses as well as ebook. So why wait? Click on the link below and enroll right now. If you enroll right now, you will get more 1,000 rupees off. So instead of 599 rupees, you will get 3 courses, 3 books, as well as exams for just 499 rupees. So this is a limited time offer. So click on the link below and enroll in.